Hi, I'm Blake Tucker, Beverage Director with Taste Catering. Happy Negroni Week. Negroni Week is normally a June worldwide fundraiser for charity, but this year it got moved to September because of the pandemic and is now raising funds for those most in need, specifically hospitality workers. At Taste, we have our own initiative to feed hospitality workers called Hospitality Helps. So we're very excited to be having Negroni Week this week as a fundraiser for that initiative. One of the ways you can participate is by buying one of our three Negroni kits. We have a classic Negroni, a Boulevardier, and a Smoky Negroni. Today I'm going to show you the Smoky Negroni. It's really awesome. As part of your kit, you get these three mini bottles, an orange, and a Hospitality Helps ice cube. We're very excited to elevate your experience with one of these cubes and to provide you with something exciting, new, and delicious to taste. The first step with any three of these Negroni kits is to take out your Hospitality Helps ice cube. You want this cube to come to a completely clear color. When it is frosty like it is here, that means that the inside of the cube is a much lower temperature than the outside. So if you pour any liquid on this, it may break because of that temperature and differential stress that's going on within the physics of the actual structure. So you want to just leave this on a counter, leave it on your bar mat, leave it somewhere for about 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and it will slowly get completely clear. And when it's completely clear, it is ready to use. In the meantime, while my cube is coming to temperature or tempering, I'm going to grab a stirring vessel. This could be half of a shaker or any kind of large vessel like this. You don't have to have one of these bartending your eyes, but they're lovely. If you already know you love Negronis, you can pour all three of these into the mixing vessel completely. You'll have a little bit more than one drink, but that's fine. Nobody's gonna tattle on you. If you are new to Negronis and like the smoky flavor, I would recommend you do half of the bottles, 3/4 of an ounce of each of them, and find out how you like that bitterness with the smokiness. Maybe you want to turn down the bitterness a little bit, in which case you can, on your second pour, use maybe half an ounce of the Campari instead of 3/4. So I'm going to add equal parts mezcal, sweet vermouth, and Campari, and then I'm going to add plenty of ice. Next step is to stir this to get it very, very cold. So I'm going to just put this into my glass. And then this logo is actually a little bit of shaved ice. So if you pour the drink directly over the logo, you'll kind of make that logo disappear a little bit. So when you pour in, try to pour on the side of the ice cube, like this. So when you pour on the side of the cube, you get a really beautiful logo like this, a very distinct, contrasty logo, which I love. To garnish with a little bit of an orange twist, a channel knife is amazing for getting orange oil on there, but it's a little bit of a rare tool. So I'm going to show you with a vegetable peeler. So I'm going to dig in deeply and try to get a nice long piece of this orange for the drink, and then I'm going to squeeze this over the top. Get a little bit of orange oil in there, maybe rub some with the edge of the peel and drop it in the side. Happy Negroni Week. Smoky Negroni. It's all sorts of wonder and fascination. You get a little bit of sweetness and then all this smokiness covers the rest of it. That's really nice. Thanks for raising funds with us. Cheers. Smoky is so good. Yum.